Hi, I'm Brendon, Facilitator and Manager at LifeLabs Learning. And today I'm going to be sharing with you an introduction to the Building Trust Workshop, a session that teaches the fundamental tipping point skill of building trust through a set of instantly useful behaviors and methods. Trust. It is widely known and understood that trust is the cornerstone of performance, effective leadership, and team collaboration. In fact, the lack of trust, as you may know, hinders the creation of a successful environment where teams can learn and grow and thrive. But how do we build trust effectively? This session aims to resolve key team challenges by focusing on enhancing psychological safety, improving cross-cultural and functional communication, building empathy, and strengthening trust during uncertain times. We focus on key practices towards inclusion, trust, and psychological safety. And it's these three distinct areas that form the foundation for the discussions and learning activities. Two exercises or methods stand out as supportive of building trust effectively. First, we open up discussion around cultural tension points. This is where teams explore those tricky areas where cultural differences can cause friction. It's a great way to show how culture adds layers to building trust effectively, and almost always leads to valuable insights as well as better connection among the group. Next, we talk about spotting vulnerability loops and how even small signals of vulnerability are foundations to building trust quickly. We open up a discussion about what intentional vulnerability looks like, why it's so helpful, and how to practice it in a way that feels comfortable and doable for everyone involved. Both of these exercises serve as essential building blocks for the ongoing development of trust in working relationships. And what consistently clicks for learners is realizing just how important it is to be intentional about trust-building behaviors. Trust doesn't just happen on its own. You have to actively design it and put in consistent effort. Once people see the need for intentionality, it naturally highlights why having explicit conversations about trust is so valuable. We see how useful this is in positive feedback we get from learners because they feel energized and motivated to start or boost their active trust building practices. This was just a small introduction to the Building Trust Workshop. If you want to see improved psychological safety and stronger team bonds on your team, we can help. I hope to see you in a workshop soon.